Welcome to Vlogmas 2025. It is here. I am so excited and a little bit anxious. Mostly, I am so glad you're here. If you're new, hi, I'm Amy and I make things. Today, I am making the first Vlogmas video of 2025. This is my third year. Sorry guys, this is loud. My mic's picking up. Isn't it cute though? All right. This is my third year of posting every day in December. Wow, that's a lot. And sharing all of my December quilty and holiday adventures with my favorite people, you. So, come on, let's talk about it. I have my notes so I don't miss anything, but first, a cup of coffee. Coffee. That's better. A little bit about the structure of Vlogmas 2025, how it works, what to expect, what to look forward to, you know, the framework. Mostly how this works is what you see right now. Vlogs, chatting, sharing my day, my work, my adventures. I have a few tutorials planned and some speed reviews and of course, some audience participation Q&A. And I have a few special surprises along the way, but I have to keep a few secrets. Mostly just hanging out and having fun every day. It is my favorite time of year and my favorite challenge, and I love getting to talk with you in the comments every day. This year, I hope to share even more behind the scenes content and outings and just fun. It is going to be a crazy, busy, fun month. And I can't wait to share it all right here in our little corner of the internet. But today, to get started, I want to talk about my number one rule of holiday gift making. I'll link the video from 2 years ago about my 8 rules of holiday gift making. I'll put it in the cards and down below. If you've seen it, then you already know that my number one rule of holiday gift making is don't do it. And I know that sounds cheeky, but I am truly serious. Don't make holiday gifts. I know. Hang on. I can hear all the cries of, but I love making holiday gifts. And I know. And I think that's wonderful. And I think you should make gifts. I know. Wait, what did I just say? I said not to make gifts. I promise I'll make it make sense. The reason that my number one rule is don't make holiday gifts is so that I and you can stop for a minute and really consider why we're doing it. The holidays are fraught. Busy schedules, gatherings, over-commercialized, hyper-consumerism, and it is so very easy to get swept up in the contrived frenzy. So I vote don't. If you love making gifts, then you absolutely should. And watch this video to help you maybe curate your recipient list. But please don't make gifts just because you're a maker and you can. Or even worse, people expect you to. This is a busy season, and the most important resource we have is our time. So when I say don't make holiday gifts, it's truly to evaluate where your resources are spent. Time, money, and effort. For example, one of my Patreon friends, and I won't name her, had a request for bowl cozies from a relative who is maybe not so handmade gift worthy. And she didn't want to make them, but she felt obliged. You know, we do these things. I suggested that she purchase some handmade bowl cozies from a maker on Etsy, and then she has the win-win-win, actually, of supporting a maker, giving said relative a handmade gift that she requested, and not having it added to her to-do list. And then, you know, kind of filled with yucky feelings of obligatory sewing. Just because we can make gifts doesn't mean we should make gifts. And it doesn't mean we can't give handmade things. Just maybe they're made by others' hands. In fact, I'm on a time crunch, and that might be what I do for one of my handmade gift exchanges later this week, actually. We'll see. We'll see how the time flow goes, but I think I might take my own advice. Go figure. Give what you want. You're the boss of your quilting after all, but please, please don't do it because you feel like you must. You are the boss of your quilting, and your time is a resource that you can never replenish. So spend it wisely and carefully doing that which you love. All right, that's my Cliff Notes view on holiday, or I guess any day really, making and gifting. Don't do it. Leave a comment below about your plans for making or not making this holiday season. Today, I'm going to spend some time at the long arm. I'm going to do all the laundry that I put off over Thanksgiving holiday weekend in favor of watching football. And I'm going to make more notes and plans for Vlogmas adventures. And after all of that, I actually do have a few exchange gifts that I need to finish sewing. So, thanks so much for sharing part of your day with me. Subscribe so you don't miss any days of Vlogmas, and give it a thumbs up so we can grow our little corner of the internet and our community. I do hope you watched the 8 rules video and maybe consider your gifting obligations. Mostly, I hope that you always remember that you make the world more beautiful just by being in it. I'm Amy, and I'll see you tomorrow.